Every aspiring guitarist dreams of creating a unique and recognizable sound that sets them apart from the rest. The journey from being a bedroom strummer to becoming a shredding sensation is not an easy one, but it is certainly achievable with dedication, passion, and the right techniques. In this article, we will delve into the stories of 5 legendary guitarists who have crafted their signature sounds through years of hard work and experimentation. Jimi Hendrix, the Electric Alchemist. Jimi Hendrix revolutionized the world of electric guitar with his innovative playing style and distinctive tone. His emotional objective was to express himself through his instrument in ways never heard before. By combining elements of blues, rock, and psychedelia, he created a sound that was uniquely his own. Hendrix's rationale for achieving his signature sound lay in his use of effects pedals such as wah-wah and fuzz. These tools allowed him to manipulate the guitar's tone and add layers of texture to his playing. His iconic song, Purple Haze, showcases this perfectly, with its psychedelic riffs and mind-bending solos. Eric Clapton, the blues virtuoso. Eric Clapton is renowned for his soulful blues playing that tugs at the heartstrings of listeners worldwide. His emotional objective was to evoke deep emotions through every note he played on the guitar. Clapton's unique rationale lies in his mastery of bending strings and vibrato techniques that give each note an expressive quality like no other guitarist can achieve. Songs like Layla exemplify this beautifully with their heartfelt melodies that resonate with audiences on a profound level. Eddie Van Halen, the tapping innovator. Eddie Van Halen forever changed the landscape of rock music by introducing tapping techniques on the guitar. His emotional objective was to push the boundaries of what could be done on the instrument and create a sound that was both aggressive and melodic. Van Halen's rationale for his signature sound lies in his use of two-handed tapping, where he would tap notes on the fretboard with both hands simultaneously. This technique allowed him to play lightning-fast solos with unmatched precision and fluidity. The iconic intro to Eruption is a prime example of this groundbreaking style. Jimmy Page, the master architect. Jimmy Page, the legendary guitarist of Led Zeppelin, crafted a signature sound that blended blues, folk, and heavy rock influences into a unique sonic tapestry. His emotional objective was to transport listeners to another world through his music. Page's unique rationale lay in his use of alternate tunings and creative layering techniques. By experimenting with different tuning variations such as Open D or Dadgad, he could achieve rich harmonies and unearthly sounds that defined Led Zeppelin's music. Songs like Stairway to Heaven showcase Page's mastery of these techniques. Slash, the rock icon. Slash is synonymous with rock and roll guitar playing, thanks to his work with Guns N' Roses and Velvet Revolver. His emotional objective was simple: to ignite audiences with raw energy through every riff he played. Slash's rationale for crafting his signature sound lies in his impeccable sense of timing and tone control. He knows exactly when to unleash blistering solos or deliver catchy hooks that stick in your head for days on end. Songs like Sweet Child O' Mine highlight Slash's ability to balance technical prowess with memorable melodies. Conclusion: crafting a signature guitar sound requires more than just skill. It demands passion, creativity, and an unwavering dedication towards self-expression through music. By studying the journeys of legendary guitarists like Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, Eddie Van Halen, Jimmy Page, and Slash, we can gain valuable insights into the techniques and approaches they use to create their unique sounds. Whether it's experimenting with effects pedals like Hendrix or mastering bending techniques like Clapton, each guitarist found their own path towards sonic greatness. So pick up your guitar, explore new playing styles and techniques, and let these legendary musicians inspire you on your journey from bedroom strummer to shredding sensation.